all warned that material gains are not equal to true well-being. There are several studies that compared rich people to an average person, and they found out that rich people are not much more happier than an average person. Why is it so? Um, Sometimes there are situations when money can bring some troubles. I can bring an example. You probably heard many times that people who had a windfall of money were not very happy after that. For example, there was a situation in Kentucky when Mark Maxwell, he was simply forklift operator, and he won a windfall of $65 million. It was great for him. He wanted to change his life. He quitted the job, and he even wanted to move to Australia, but it never happened. And do you think that it made him happy? I guess no, because after he won this money, many people tried to seize part of it, and in some time he began to drink, and in 3 years after he had this windfall, in age of 45, he died. It's not very good that you earn so much money. But still, the world is developing, and the essential thing we need for economic development, for example, is that people will struggle for money. Even now, we can see that everyone is trying to earn some money. Everybody is working and trying to earn a little bit more. Still, can we think that people are stupid and they do not realize that money cannot buy happiness, or probably they do not want to be happy? I do not think so. There is another explanation of this phenomenon. First of all, the first explanation that money are essential for our life being. Every person needs house, he needs some basic need to satisfy his basic needs. He needs food, and that's very essential need. And the comparison of people who have everything I mentioned, they are much happier than people who do not have it. But the further increase in income doesn't make them happier a lot. There is a study that asked people how many things they need for happiness. They mentioned like a house, cars, and something like this. And the average number of such items was about 2.5, 4.5 for every person to be happy. At that time also there was a question how much of these things they have. And they answered that about average was about 2.5. In 16 years, the same people were asked the same question. And the phenomenon that people had more of these items, but still they were not happy because they wanted to have even more. That's why we can see that the more we have, the more we want. But still, why people want to have a lot of money? Why they are struggling for that? Probably because money is like measure of success. Almost every successful people have a lot of money, or enough for him. But people often make mistake substituting by the money and the success. The successful people are not successful only in money. They're successful in everyday life, in everything they have. And that's why we need not make this mistake and substitute these notions like success and money. And I want to give you several steps which you need to follow to be happy and be not very rich. First of all, learn to value simplicity. What do I mean by this? If you value simplicity, it means that you need not much money to be happy. You need something small things, and you value everything you have. If you are happy when you're spending your money and possessing new things, it's not very good. You lose a lot in your money, a lot in your life. The second step is do not be attached to your money. If you are working every day and you are always saving the money, why do you need them if you are not spending them? Even rich people may be attached to money and cannot spend them freely. For example, Bill Gates he always is traveling by the second class, but not by the first, because he doesn't know why he needs to spend this money. But you need to spend money freely, especially if you buy essential, necessary things. The third step is to avoid jealousy. There was a survey which asked people, if you had a choice to have a wage which is higher than average but it will be very low, or you will have a high wage but it will be lower than average, what will you choose? And it's interesting that people answered that they will choose the lower wage, but if it will be higher than average. So think about this, and don't leave to work. There is interesting mention that unhappiness is when you leave home. You leave home with happy, and you leave work with. You leave home with joy, and leave work with joy. But happiness is really when you come home with joy and come to the work with joy. So don't work too much, and you need to value your leisure time as your working time. And the last one, but not the least, is develop your positive minding. If your minding is positive, you will be always happy, and you will value everything in your life. Thank you.